Hello, welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a sound demo video and it's to accompany one of our Etsy listings that we have, and it's for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. Now this is a horse skin shamanic drum. It's on a 16-inch frame. The wood for the frame is willow wood frame. And as you can see, if I turn it over here, we've got a lovely branch handle. This is a hazelwood branch handle. It's laced with artificial sinew, which is really strong, and it's resistant to the effects of moisture. On the inside of the frame, I put the date of when the drum was birthed, which was the 15th of July 2022, and the location was in Knighton Palace, UK. And that's to enable you to go along and make a little birth chart, find out what astrological aspects were affecting the drum on the day when it was birthed, if that's interesting to you. I've also, no I haven't also done anything. Oh yes I have, I knew I had. So this has got a little phrase, a little, I don't know what you call it really, but basically it's a beautiful little saying, and it is the winds of change, and then it's got an infinity symbol dancing the land with a little heart symbol underneath. That's rather a beautiful little intention, shall we say. A little bit of a thought. The winds of change. Everything's transient, everything's moving forwards, and it dances across the lands, and it plays with all of us in its own little way. So that's rather beautiful, and I wanted to put that intention into this drum. So here we go. I'm going to start with a soft beater. I've got a firmer beater as well, so you can see the difference between the two. Either or both available as an option at checkout if you decide that this is the right drum for you. Let's have a little play. There's a lovely little click on the frame there. That was unintentional, but it sounded nice. The firmer beater. Okay, well, I hope this little video's helped you to make a more informed decision. Extremely difficult buying online, and I do appreciate that, and that's why we make these little videos. So yeah, I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching, bye for now.